Right. The jury was picked earlier this week. You have the Easter weekend coming up. So Uncle John got picked to the Karen Read case, and the family's over for Easter. How much faith do you have that this jury is not on a crash course of all Karen Read going into the openings?
I'm so happy you asked that. I hope that we as a society of jurists look at this case at the inflection point that I look at it as, which is there's no more such thing as jury sequestration. Every single one of those jurors knows everything about this case on day one. They know everything. They've engorged themselves with this information. Why wouldn't they? It's in their backyard. I know people from other countries who've asked me about this case. Definitely people who see the crowds and see the anger and the raw emotion in that community. They know everything about this case. So to answer your question, they're going to be like heroes. Like, they're going to have people over for the barbecue. Some of them are going to be pro Karen Read. Some of them are going to be against Karen Read or pro John O'Keefe. And they're going to be rooting for their friend and family member that, hey, make sure you get it right. I think that's why Judge Beverly Cannoni impaneled more jurors than they typically do. In this case, they usually do 16. She put 18 because I think she knows her customer. She knows she's probably going to have to disqualify more than one or two jurors. She knows that. Right? This judge has done it right the whole entire time because she knows her customer. She knows who she's dealing with. And so I think, to your point, Ted, I think a lot of people at barbecues this weekend who are going to be on the jury, hey, did you know that our cousin is on the jury or our high school friend is on the jury? Hey, why don't you come talk to him right now? Hey, you know what? You got to get it right. She did it or she didn't do it. So it's going to be a challenge. But this should be the inflection point for us to say that, man, jury sequestration, it's just different in 2025 than it was in 1925.
We don't know about those jurors, but we know our Court TV team. They are there in Dedham, Massachusetts. They are prepping for what is to come next week. Michael Jaafar, stand by. We do